Hello guys, in this quick video I want to demonstrate to you a Laravel package called Laravel Notify by Arthur Money here, which is not a new package, but recently version 3 was released and I noticed I haven't reviewed it on this YouTube channel, so kind of filling the gap. So I've made this demo project based on Laravel Starter Kit with Livewire version, but Livewire doesn't have anything to do with that. Look at Laravel Notify in action. So for example, you want to submit a feedback, something, you submit the feedback and you get the feedback submitted, and then admin has a form to approve or reject feedback from the users, and look at what happens, approved successfully and redirected back. So this is Laravel Notify quickly in action. But then also on the feedback form, there's notification types demo. So look in the top right corner what happens when I click various buttons. So this is the default toast notification. This is so-called Connectify, title and message together. This is smiley notification. Then there's Emotify with emoticons, and then two kind of extra fun types of notifications, probably for some internal systems, on top of just boring toast. So Drakify, success, then Drake approves the notification, approves the action, and then the opposite thing is Drakify error, where Drake says something like this, and then you can also click to close that notification. So yeah, this is how notifications look like, and to install that package it's really easy. Just compose require and vendor publish the assets. Also you need to configure Tailwind to have the CSS ready, and then you have Xnotify somewhere in your blade. So in my case, for example, there's sidebar blade, and at the very bottom there's Xnotify. And then here's the code of Livewire component in this case, but it could be a controller powering this set of buttons at the bottom. So show regular toast is just notify, and then title message send, and then you redirect back to whatever should be the page. And in this case, we have notify success. So now if we take a look at the documentation of the package, there's notify success, then there's notify error, for example, or other types. Also more parameters that you can customize, but for example, in my demo, it can be model connect. So we have notification model enum from the package. So these are the types of notification models. So you can set one of those. You can set title and message. So this is the Drakify, and this is the smiley model, and then there's also Emotify. For more configuration options, just read the README. It's pretty long with a lot of options and configurations available. But yeah, all in all, pretty good package with already almost 2,000 stars on GitHub. So what do you guys think? Are you maybe already using that package? Or maybe you're using something else for such toast notifications in Laravel? Let's discuss in the comments below. And also this package is listed on Laravel Daily in the resources section, best Laravel packages. So we can search for Notify. It is in the section of Flash Alerts Notifications. So there's a separate category of such packages. So maybe you can try one of those as well. And I will link the list of those packages on Laravel Daily in the description below. Currently 236 I consider best Laravel packages, manually curated over the years by myself and my team. And if you see any package missing here, just reply in the comments below and I may add it to the list. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.